Welcome to the Practice Better Climb portal. In this video, I will show you the different ways you can track your food consumption in the Food and Mood Journal provided by your practitioner. To create a Food and Mood Journal entry, you can click on the Quick Access button from your dashboard, or go to My Resources, Journals, and select Add Entry beside Food and Mood Journal. You have a few options when recording the food you've eaten. Firstly, you can search our database for different food products. This is the best option as it automatically generates specific nutritional information. When searching the food database, you can search for common and branded food. Once you have searched and selected the food item, you can specify your food serving quantity and the date and time you ate your food. If this is a food item you eat regularly, you can select Save to My Foods. This will make selecting this food item easier in future entries. Once you have saved your food entry, you also have the option to record where you ate this meal and your mood before and after by selecting the pencil icon. This allows you to track your mood and symptoms in accordance with what you are eating. Another option when creating a food entry is to write what you ate in your own words by using the freeform option. This is a good option if the food is not listed in the database or it is something unique that you made. You can click Get Nutrients, which will try to generate a nutrient breakdown from the food you've listed. If you require specific nutrient breakdown, we recommend using the food database. You also have the ability to upload photos of what you ate when creating a freeform entry. If you're using the mobile app, then you will also have the option to search the database using the barcode scanner. If you need to edit or delete an entry, you can do so by clicking on the three dots beside your entry and selecting either action item. Within your Food and Mood Journal, you can also track your water consumption. You can either enter the amount you drank, or you can use the tracker and drag to the numerical amount. If your practitioner has enabled nutrient details for you, you can view your breakdown on the right-hand side. Some practitioners may even give you nutrient targets, which show you how close you are to meeting your specific goals. We hope you found this helpful, and please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.